Hey guys, it's part 2 and I have today birthday and I do this slime. It's so blue, it's sticky. Look, I don't so like it because it hit my table is so dirty. I don't know why I do this on my table and okay, let's say I want to put some soap. Look how it's beautiful. I have not. I don't have some. Okay, look how it. Wow, you don't see it. Okay, look. I don't put so much, but okay. It's good. Now let's mixing. Okay, guys, stop. Let's see what we get. And don't get some good things. I don't know how it tastes because I do this and it's so good. So water and oh sorry. Wait. I I don't know why it's so sticky, but I want to do another one big and please follow if you want. Look, it's really so bad. It's so good. Let's another soup. I think it's so much. Okay, now it's good. Let's mixing. If this not good, I don't know what I need to do now. Okay, it's bad. It's slime, but it's so sticky. Wait. It's not sticky so much, but it's sticky. It's sticky. Maybe I need to mixing. Okay, it's not work it. You know, like I don't know how to do slime. Yes. Let's do a big one. Part 2 for big slime. Let's go to me.